Deborah Dahab, your expat coach and intercultural psychologist. I help people prepare for a move abroad and also help them after they moved. So today I'm going to share 3 very common mistakes you want to avoid when preparing for your move abroad. These are things that I have done, unfortunately, and many of my clients have. So this also comes from my own research, and hopefully today you will not make these mistakes because you will be aware of them. So when moving abroad, preparing, we typically look at all of the practical stuff, the logistics, real estate, buying house, selling house, renting house, whatever. This is all important. This is all crucial. However, there are very important aspects to consider, and that is the cornerstone, the foundation of a positive, productive move abroad. So without further ado, I will share with you. Mistake number 1, not creating closure. When we move abroad, many times we're so focused on getting to the new place that we really don't take enough time to say our goodbyes in a mindful way. It's really important to acknowledge that this is the end of a chapter. This is a new phase that will begin. And in order for a new phase to begin, it's really important to create closure and say your goodbyes. Yes, this can be sad, but it can be done in fun ways. You can have a goodbye party. You can give people presents and little gifts of, you don't have to spend money. It can be something like just a handwritten card, something to acknowledge that, friends and family that are staying in your home country are meaningful to you, they are loved, and they will be missed. So it's really important. Also, remember to say goodbye to places, foods, all of the things that you really like about your home country and then you really think you will miss. So this is the first aspect that is really important to take into account and to really do. Many people jump through this phase. They don't acknowledge the endings, and it can be harder to adjust to a new culture and a new country when you haven't closed that chapter. The second aspect that is really, really, really important, and people don't look at this enough and make this mistake very often, is waiting to move to make friends. So making friends in a new country can take a lot of time, a lot of effort. It's not as natural as you would think in most cases. So really make an effort of connecting online. We have this amazing technology that allows you to have video calls, connect with people, with as many people as you can before you move. So when you do move, you already have key people, you already have references and people that you can call and say, look, I'm here, I'd like to have coffee, or even in emergencies or in situations where you need help, you have people that you can get in touch with. So this is a very important aspect to really look into and to avoid this mistake of waiting until you move to make friends. And the final mistake that I think many people really make is focusing too much on the why. So we all know why we want to move. This is pretty clear. We usually don't need reminders. But the thing is that when we focus too much on the why, those are the things that are typically pushing us away. And we don't look into what we are moving for, what we want to accomplish with the move. I will link up here somewhere in the video a link to another video that I posted a while ago where I share in detail what this whole what for is and how to articulate it and clarify it. And different people in the same family might have different what fors. That's totally fine as long as they are clear, as long as you know what it is and what you want to accomplish. What do you want to get out of this move? How is this going to change your life? So these are the tips, and in a nutshell, these are the most common mistakes, the 3 most common mistakes that I hope you now will avoid because you know they exist and you know how to not make them. So if this resonates with you, if this is something that you would like to take to the next level, feel free to book free enrollment call for the Master Your Move program. This is a program for pre-movers, people who are preparing to move abroad. And let's talk. I'll explain to you the program in the description box. I'll also include links to the pages where you can get more information. And if it's a good fit, I'd love to see you inside the group. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you have any specific questions or you would like for me to talk about any specific topic. And I'll see you next time.